guys, I wanted to talk to you guys about this dark green zucchini. It's from American Seed Company, and I got these packets, a bunch of these packets actually, at Dollar General for 5 cents at the end of last season. And this is one of those plants. There is a tomato plant kind of budded up right there with it. But look how beautiful it is. I've cut on this, I've pruned on this, but more importantly, look at the zucchini we've got here. Look at that big monster. And I've got another one right here. Nice and huge. And I've got another one right there. And a little baby one right behind it. Oops. And another one right there. So it is producing. I think I got 2 other ones that I picked kind of small. I decided since it was so late in the season, it is, oh look, here's another one too. See that? It is August 23rd. I am in zone 5. So I decided to let these get a little bit bigger so that I can get a lot of zucchini I can chop up and freeze and incorporate into really almost anything that I can sneak zucchini in. Oh, look, here's another one. How pretty is that? Isn't that one beautiful pretty? Because I really feel like zucchini is kind of, what do I want to say? It's kind of like tofu. Whatever you make with it, it just kind of takes on the seasoning of whatever that is. Eggplant kind of does that too. I've got a couple of them up here that I started. Maybe I could push it to the fall. So I've started this one. Obviously that's kind of young. And I took out a bunch of the butter peas. And you can see they're starting to dry up. And I will cut those down. But I had a strip here that was behind all of this corn and beans and eggplant. And, oh, I'm sorry, got distracted. Here's the other zucchini that's down here. It's not doing very well because it's in part shade, and it's right up there to those butter beans. So I'm hoping that these are going to be done in maybe 7 to 10 days, and I can pull these out, and then this can get more water, more sun, more air, more everything it needs. I mean, it's part shade, so, I mean, I can't really change the sun position for it, but hopefully it'll come back, thrive a little bit. I've got some green beans going on here. Aren't they cute? Bigger ones here. And this is that little thing that I found in the garbage. I need to get that better secured in there so that these green beans, beautiful green beans, can grow up it. Okay, well it looks like I have some picking to do out here. Well, of course I'm not going to pick these zucchini. I'm going to get the scissors and I guess prune them, cut them, whatever you want to say. But anyway, that was the dark green zucchini American seed squash. And I am interested in trying the green machine zucchini. So if anyone has some good input on that, I would gladly accept those comments. Well, take all comments really, except for the sex bot spam stuff. No thank you. Okay, you guys have a fantastic day. Love you. Bye.